Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Alight Motion and loading the project that contains the name you want to change. Once the project is loaded, tap the timeline and select the text layer. That targets only the name without affecting other elements. Make sure the playhead is over the clip so you see live updates. Then tap the layer properties or the edit icon to reveal the text field. This gets you immediately to the editable name, so you can replace it cleanly and preserve animations. Now edit the text directly. Tap the text box and type the new name. As you change characters, make sure font family, size, color, and letter spacing match the original so layout and timing remain consistent. If the name change alters line breaks, adjust alignment or scale slightly. Once done, scrub the timeline to preview. Also check any keyframe transforms or masks if the animation depends on text width. Nudge keyframes or enable auto-sizing, so the motions finish by previewing the segment in full screen and exporting a short clip to verify final look. If the new name causes layout shifts, correct them by adjusting tracking, scale, or enabling autofit so masks and motion paths remain aligned. Make sure to save a duplicate project version before big changes so you can revert if something breaks. If animations behave oddly, undo recent edits, reapply keyframes referencing the updated text bounds, and then recheck the preview to confirm everything runs smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.